Hola! In this episode, we will talk about transmission in CNS. The functional organization of the animal is regulated and coordinated by neurons in CNS. The function of the neurons in turn is via signaling mediated by chemical mediators, which are neurotransmitter, neuromodulators, and neurotrophic factors. A neurotransmitter is a chemical synthesized, stored, and released by presynaptic nerve terminals which acts rapidly on the membrane of postsynaptic neuron, producing a change in conductance. A neuromodulator is a chemical that is formed de novo and released by neurons, as well as non-neuronal cells, having pre- or postsynaptic responses, modulating presynaptic neurotransmitter release or postsynaptic excitability. Neurotropic factors are synthesized and released by non-neuronal cells and activate tyrosine kinase link receptors, which regulate gene expression and control nerve growth and phenotypic characters. Noradrenaline, non-adrenergic neuron cell bodies are in pons and medulla, from where the noradrenergic pathways extends to many parts of the brain and spinal cord. Control of wakefulness and alertness and mood, functional deficiency lead to depression. Receptors, G protein coupled NPHA and beta adrenoceptors. Activators of which results in excitatory or inhibitory effects. Dopamine, tuber-hypophyseal system, mesolimbic and mesocortical pathways, and mainly in nigrostriatal pathways. Agonists and antagonists. Acetylcholine, all parts of the brain, arousal, learning, memory, and motor control. Receptors, antagonists. That's it for today's episode. Thank you. Adios.